Information on useful tools for sandwiches in onigiri. Utensils for bagging. Easy and convenient. Opening blow and sandwich triangle tongs. Open blower for stores. With air filter. Sandwich triangle tongs. Put the sandwich in the bag. Sandwich bags use perforated bags. Pitch of the holes is 7/0. Use triangular tongs for sandwich bag. Enfolding the bag of sandwich. Fold order of the bag of sandwich. Rear left/right front. Finish the sandwich bag with tape. Can also be used for burgers. Using flat tongs is hygienic. Attach the burger packaging bag and turn on the power. Put the burger in the inflated burger bag in the wind. When you have finished, put in a bag. To separate the bag from the perforation. How to fold a burger bag. Fold one end of the burger bag. Then fold the other side of the burger bag. Next, collapse the center. Stop the bag with tape or label. Now open the packaging. Take the tape. Let's eat. Next, use it for packaging onigiri. Put the bag in the fixture, and attach it to the open air blower. The bag expands when the power switch is turned on. It can also be used in the triangular rice ball bag. Also bag round rice ball. Hands with onigiri wear PE gloves. Separate the bag from the perforations. Fold order of the bag of onigiri. Rear left/right front. Finish the onigiri bag with tape. Once again. Fold order of the bag of onigiri. Rear left/right front. Finish the onigiri bag with tape. Next is the opening blower used in the factory. Onigiri, sandwich, burger, sushi. Can sushi even in the absence of a sushi chef? Put sushi gohan in resin mold. Push the handle down. Simply by placing the resin type, sushi gohan will complete. Add wasabi. Completed with various sushi ingredients. Very easy with this tool. Anyone to easily you can sushi. Very easy if you use the next tool. Anyone can easily do onigiri. Tools that can do both sushi gohan and onigiri. Put onigiri gohan in resin mold. Push the handle down. Onigiri completed. Make tamaki onigiri easily. Tamaki onigiri can be made with little investment. Easy and convenient semi-automatic onigiri packaging machine. Can be packed neatly. Put tape or label on it. Finished. Contact for various equipment and packaging materials guidance. Contact us how to make.